Hey there, fam viewers. Today I'm super excited to talk about a game changer in the world of delivers. Smart delivering drones. You are sitting at home craving your favorite meal or desperately needing that package instead of anxiously waiting for hours. Imagine having your items delivered right to your doorstep within minutes. That's where smart delivering drones come in. So, why are these drones such a big deal? Let's dive into their awesome advantages. These drones are lightning fast, zipping through the sky at incredible speeds. They can bypass traffic congestion and reach your location in a fraction of the time compared to traditional delivery methods. Say goodbye to long waits and hello to instant gratification. Smart delivering drones are also eco-conscious by utilizing electric power and avoiding fuel emissions. They reduce our carbon footprint. It's like getting your deliveries while giving Mother Earth a high five. Whether you live in a bustling city or a remote area, these drones can reach you almost anywhere. No more worrying about inaccessible location or limited delivery options. Just a few taps on your smartphone and voila, your package is on its way. With smart delivering drones, companies can optimize their delivery routes, saving time and money. This cost effectiveness can be passed on to customers, meaning potential saving for you who doesn't love a good deal. So there you have it, folks. The incredible advantages of smart delivering drones. They are fast, eco-friendly, accessible and cost effective. It's like having your own personal delivery superhero. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech wonders. That's all. Bye bye. May God bless you. See you soon.